Let me see if I can show you this whole problem here. So Jackie and Alexa are working on homework together when Jackie said, I got x is 5 as the solution, but it looks like you got something different. Which solution is right? So someone's got the x as 5. Um, very diplomatically, Alexa says, I think you made a mistake. Did Jackie make a mistake? Help Jackie figure out whether she made a mistake, and if she did, explain to her um, and show her how to solve the equation correctly. Jackie's work is shown at the right. So the one thing that we have here is if you look at it, and let me just highlight a couple things, right? So if I look at this, I've got x plus 4 to the second power, and she ends up writing down that that is x squared plus 16. And that's a pretty common mistake that you'll see a lot. The thing to remember is when you multiply x plus 4 times itself, that's a binomial times a binomial, and it's not just a matter of squaring each of those terms. You need to multiply it out completely. So if I was look at the area model over here, this kind of makes it clear what's going on. So she incorrectly squared the binomial, and she did this twice. One of them was when she squared x plus 4, the quantity x plus 4 squared. She wrote down that that should be x squared plus 16, which it's not. And you can see down below here, I've set this up as, I've got, this is an x and a positive 4, and I'm going to multiply that times x and a positive 4. And you can see when I do that, there are 4 distinct regions that pop up here. One of them is when I multiply the x times the x, I get x squared. Another point is when I multiply 4 times the x, I get 4x squared. And then that happens also here. You can see I'm multiplying this x times this 4, and I'm getting a 4x squared. And then finally, I'm multiplying 4 times, this 4 times this 4, and I'm getting 16. So when I square x plus 4, I actually get x squared plus 8x plus 16. And that's not what she had at all. So that happens in one of the problems, and then she did something similar over here with the x minus 1 quantity squared. And you can see I'm multiplying x minus 1 times an x minus 1. And when I do that, I end up getting x squared minus 2x minus a 1. I'm sorry, plus a 1. Yeah, so this is x squared, and then you can see that's minus 2x, and then it's a positive 1.